karanjetlilive.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to unbox my MI portable electric air compressor. So guys, while I'm opening it, I would like to tell you, like, I paid about 13 Omani Reals for it, which is equivalent to 34 American dollars. Okay, so guys, I bought this for my upcoming motorcycle trip. So this feels handy and I can store it in my bike, and in case of emergencies I can use it. So guys, now let us take it out and let us see what comes in the box. Okay, so what is this? Okay, so it comes with this storage pouch. You can put this in that and you can keep it. And then what else is there? So it has different nozzles, okay, different shapes. Let us take it out. Okay, and a charging cable, so you can charge it with this micro USB cable. Okay, and it has this different sets of nozzles. Okay, so this can be used for different types of tires or different types of devices. So this is mainly used for filling air in basketballs or footballs and so on. And it has an instruction manual in different languages. And guys, here is the air compressor. Okay, so guys, the weight of this compressor is about 250 grams, so it is not very light, and it has a LED display. And here is the slot where you can put the charging cable, and here it is. So let us pull this horse out. Okay, so the moment you pull this out, the pump is on. So we still need to charge it, but let us try it. It is pumping air. When I keep my finger in front of it, so it is telling me the pressure, how much pressure my finger is putting on the nozzle. Okay, so it is, this light is glowing on. Light means it needs to be charged, and it also has this very bright flashlight type of a thing. Not flashlight type, it has a flashlight also, so you can use it to fill airs. So in your motorcycle cycle tires, or in some cases even in your car tires, because the guy who sold me this, he says like he's using it for his car, and one charge can fill all his 4 tires. Okay, so guys, soon I'll charge it, and then we will try it on my motorcycle tires and on my bicycle tires, and I shall update you with that. So guys, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be uploading more unboxing videos, technical reviews, and all kind of stuff. And guys, all of you, thanks for watching and stay tuned.